Hello everyone, so this is our demo to BeatCode, a live LeetCode battle where you can fight your friend and also use abilities to sabotage them, like forcing your friend to code in light mode. So our website has 5 key components. First, authentication. Second, matchmaking for ranked and unranked matches, and also a custom lobby platform where you can like set up a custom game of your friend. 3, a built-in code editor that can run and format your code. 4, fun, interesting gameplay twists like using abilities, which I will show you later. And then 5, runtime analysis. So when you first log in, you can see the login page, and you can click sign up if you don't have an account yet. So I'll just sign up right here, like this. And I would type in my actual email, password, and password. So we also have an error validation like notifier on the form. If you like, let's say you don't have the 2 passwords matches, it will show you. And then if you create it successfully, then it would tell you to go verify your email. So click on that. And then it would actually send me an email right here. And I can click on the link to verify it. Just give it a quick second. And right there. So now I know that my account is verified. I can log in to my account. Just like that. All right. And if you trying to create an account that is already exists, then it would also tell you. So I tell you here, I'll type in the same info that I did earlier. It will tell you that the username exists. If I type any other username, then it will tell me that the email is registered. So I will just log in with the random account that I created previously. And then right here, so in the main page, you have unranked, ranked, and then custom. So for ranked, let's say I'll just click ranked, which is matchmaking. And then while it's matchmaking, it's still waiting. So now we only have 2 active users right now. So it's just waiting for another active user to join on the ranked queue. So if I click on this mode on the other account, then it will detect that, okay, then there are 2 guys in the same queue. Let's put them to a game. So this is our code editor. So it looks really similar to LeetCode. So let's say it's power of 4. Let's say I just do true, and then I submit code. It will actually run my code and show me the test cases right here, and then it would count how many test cases you pass to calculate the damage to your opponent. So the cool twist of our BeatCode game is that you can buy abilities and use them. So let's say I want to heal my HP, so I can buy here. I can use them by typing the abilities, enter, and I just healed. So let's say I just return. Let's say okay, I need to solve this. Okay, this is power of 4 recursive. Okay, so if n equals 1, this makes this a LeetCode tutorial right now, but shouldn't be that hard. If n equals 1, then return true, and then you just return its power of 4 self 4 and divide by 4, I believe. And then if in n is not n, meaning it's not an integer, then return false. So just like that. And then if I submit it, hopefully, oh no, nope, that's not the right answer. Oopsie doopsie. Oh, and there you go. You can see it. I passed the test case even though I cheated. And right here, it basically analyzes your code and put out the time complexity. So earlier it was O(n) for n being the level recursion, and yeah. So right here, and then let's just leave the match for now. And then I'll show you another feature of ours, which is a custom match. And then when you create a room, you can set the room settings and the distribution of each game modes, each problem difficulty, like easy, medium, hard. And then you can either join by copying the code, just like this, and you can see both of them are connected, or you can go to the browse library and you can see the room here. If I cancel a room, then you can see that my room is also disappear from the lobby. So let's just join, and you can see right here. And if I click ready, you can see that it shows that I'm ready on both of the sides. And then click start game. It's just like earlier when it would just load up the code editor. Give it a good second. And then after everyone is connected, then it will show the code editor. Also a cool feature that I forgot to show you earlier. Of course it's a light mode, right? If I buy the light mode and I tap and I type Lightio, boom. Now your opponent is forced to code in light mode. That should be a good end for our demo. Thank you for watching.